friends, my name is Kaustav and welcome to another interesting episode of Plants and Life YouTube channel. It is very interesting to grow something edible from market brought vegetable. So you can see here I have grown some chili plants from market brought chili. For this tutorial you just need to have some chilies which from we can get seeds. Now the first step is collect seeds from overripe chilies. Look at here, this is some overripe chilies which have dried by me in full sunlight. After collecting the seed, you have to disinfect those. For that, soak it in fungicide mixed water. After that, let's move on to next step. In this step, you just need to sow the seeds. Look at here, I have taken the media of good drainage soil and some compost. I have mixed some compost there in good drainage soil. For good drainage soil, you can mix some sand in your soil. After that, you have to cover the seed with some soil and give a thorough watering, and then you have to wait for some days for germinating of seeds. Until then, you have to keep a good moisture level in the soil. Moisture is very important in germination of every kind of seeds. Now after 10 days, look at here, some of the seeds have germinated successfully. A very good and fresh growth. And this is another 10 days later. Look at the plant's growth after another 20 days later. This is the update after 40 days from the beginning. Welcome back. This is after 20 days. Overall 60 days from the beginning. 2 months have covered. Look at here, some flowers are appearing here. Soon we will get some chilies from this plant. You will get more fast result if you transplant it in separate pots. I should transplant this in separate pots, then I will get more chilies from this plant. But I want to see its growth and shape of chilies. Let's see how I will get chilies. It is totally experimental. So now finally we get lots of green chilies here. Look at here, we have to wait 70 days from the sowing of seeds. I have not used any fertilizer even. If we do so, if we transplant it in separate pots, I will assure you I will get 200% better result in just 40 to 50 days. So have a good day guys. So this is all what I wanted to share, and see you guys with a new topic in another day. So guys, goodbye. Till then, keep supporting and stay well.